What's up, everyone? This is Lane from Trend Friend. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how to add invite-only indicators to your charts. I get this question quite a bit from customers, so I just wanted to go over it real quick. So if you click on the Indicators tab from your chart right there, it will bring up this page. And once you have access to any of the indicators that you purchased access to, if you click on this Invite Only tab right here on the left, that will bring up all of the indicators that you have access to. Okay. You can also, from this list or any of the list on, if you were to click on any of these too, you can click this Read More button next to any of these indicators, and that's going to give you the indicator description page where it'll have full description that teaches you how to use the indicator, what it's using, all kinds of stuff like that. You can also click the Use on Chart button right here to add the indicator to your chart, or you can just click any of these right here. Like, let's say if we add that, see this one has some inputs that we have to confirm real quick, and then it'll add it to the chart for us. So that's about it. It's pretty easy for you to do that, but it is important for you to know that if you don't have anything showing up here, then that means that you don't have access to any invite-only scripts. So let's say you purchase access to some of my scripts and we send you a message that says, hey, you now have access. You come in here and there's no indicators in here. So what's going on there is sometimes Tradingview servers take a while to update. So we don't send out a message or mark your order complete that until we have actually given you access. But sometimes after you get that message, it will still show up blank here. And that's just because it takes Tradingview servers a while to update sometimes. Sometimes they're faster than others and it shows up right away. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. So if you do have that kind of problem, try just refreshing your browser and reloading this page here and see if they show up. And if they don't, you may need to just log out of your Tradingview and log back in. Sometimes that seems to get the issue to go away. Sometimes it can also be a caching issue with your browser. So if you have an issue, if you've tried both of those things, you've waited a few minutes as well and still nothing is showing up, then just Google how to clear your browser cache, follow those steps, and then try it again, and they should show up in here. Last thing is if you had indicator access, but now you don't anymore for some reason, then it will give you a little red exclamation point icon right next to the indicator name right here. And if you hover your mouse over that, then it'll tell you, you don't have access to this indicator, ask the script author for access or something along those lines. And that just means that you used to have access, but now you don't anymore. So check with the script author and they can reinstate your access or, whatever needs to take place for that to happen. So just keep that in mind. If you ever see the little red exclamation point up here, you can always hover on that. Sometimes that'll be from like a loading error or something, but hover over that exclamation point and it'll give you some information. That's how you can add invite-only indicators to your chart. Just click on the invite only tab right here and then add it to your chart. And then again, always make sure to read the indicator description here by clicking on that read more button and then click on the use on chart when you're ready to use it. But you should get a full description of the indicator and how it works by clicking on that page, which will help you actually understand and use the indicator to the best of its abilities. That's it for today. Thanks.